Hello, I'm Tiffany. Today, I'll show you the new feature for NP Retail. Kitchen Display System. A kitchen display system is a digital screen that replaces printed or handwritten orders in kitchens. Let's first switch to POS unit number 4, which is our burger joint. Then log into the POS and select the burger menu. In this case, the customer is purchasing a double cheeseburger menu. I configure the burger menu. The customer wants a medium Coke, fries, no cheese, extra tomato, extra lettuce, and no onions. Review your selections and confirm the order. Once satisfied, proceed to payment to complete your purchase. Get the customer's phone number so we can send him an SMS when the burger is ready for pickup at the counter. Now let's see how it looks like on the display at the burger station. As we can observe, there is an order for a double cheeseburger menu, which includes extra ingredients such as extra tomato and extra lettuce. However, this order specifically requests the burger to be made without cheese and onions. Once the burger is produced, the cook presses the screen to confirm that the order is ready for next step. Let's move to the fryer station, where we confirm the fries are ready. We see the screen at the packing station, combining fries, a burger, and a medium Coke. Once the order is ready, we press the screen and an SMS is sent to the customer. The customer now receives an SMS with a confirmation message indicating that the order is ready for pickup. This ensures they are informed promptly. When the salespeople hand out the burger menu to the customer, they press the screen to update the order status in the system. To find out more, visit our website at the following link. Thank you for watching.